In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to access the Health Effects of Climate Change course from Harvard. This is a highly respected course that covers how climate change impacts human health, public health systems, and global communities, and it's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone interested in climate science and healthcare. I'll show you exactly where to find the course, how to enroll, how to complete the payment process, and how to get started once you're in. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future guides like this. Now, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type Harvard and press Enter, or simply search for the Health Effects of Climate Change Harvard course on Google. Look for the official Harvard website in the search results. This is important because you want to make sure you're enrolling through the authentic Harvard platform and not a third-party website. Once you click on the official Harvard link, you'll be taken to the course information page. On this page, scroll carefully and locate the course titled The Health Effects of Climate Change. Click directly on the course title to open the full course details page. Here, you'll see an overview of what the course covers, the learning outcomes, instructor information, course duration, and any prerequisites you should be aware of. Take a moment to review this information so you know exactly what you're signing up for. When you're ready to proceed, look for the Enroll button on the page. This button is usually clearly visible near the top or after the course description. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. You'll now be prompted to either sign in or create an account using your email address. Fill in all the required personal details accurately, including your name and contact information. After completing the registration details, you'll move on to the payment section. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your payment method and complete the payment securely. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message and possibly a confirmation email with your course access details. After enrollment is complete, you can immediately start your course. Simply logging to your Harvard course dashboard, locate the Health Effects of Climate Change course, and begin with the first module. From here, you can watch lectures, review materials, and progress through the course at your own pace. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in the Health Effects of Climate Change course from Harvard. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.